Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Samsung Galaxy S21 case is images now confirm the polarizing new design. Samsung is expected to announce its latest Galaxy S line on January 14, and we have already seen a several render that give us an idea of what the Galaxy S21 Plus and 21 Ultra might look like. Now we have some protective case for both model, which further confirm the new camera island which wraps around the sides frame of both model. As you can see, this is the Ice Universe latest tweet. He said the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra protective case has been manufactured. So some of cases he's showing, and these images show a 4 camera setup on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Though previous images show a 5th sensor, which is speculated to a 3D TOF sensor. According to the most recent rumor, the S21 Ultra is expected to pack a 108 megapixel main camera alongside 40 megapixel selfie camera. The S21 Plus options for 3 cameras that are physically separated from the LED flash, which has its own separate cutout. These new case also raise questions about drop protective on the top right side where we have the camera cutout. In related news, the Galaxy S21 Ultra appeared in a NFC certification listing bearing the SMG998U model number. Samsung upcoming mid-range Exynos 1080 chipset was also spotted on the Bluetooth SIG, confirmed it support the latest Bluetooth 5.0 standard. Now another leak says that the Galaxy S21 series to come with the Galaxy Buds behind. The good news is to keep coming today after the report of the Galaxy S21 Live launching earlier than usually next year. We have to tip about the retail package. The AKG earphone will no longer be included, but it's not what you think, as that place will be taken by the Galaxy Buds Plus successor expected to be called Galaxy Buds Behind. Up until now, the Galaxy has offered a wireless buds free of charge, but only as pre-order offer with the Galaxy S21 family. The company plans to start offering its wireless solution, bundle it, and talk about the bundle. The news come right after the iPhone 12 launch, which skipped the headphone and charged it all together, while Samsung might be spicing up its retail box with pair of TWS buds costing a pretty penny. So this is a great news. Another news about the Samsung Galaxy S21 is Drive coming on January 14. A report claim the new John Prosser tweet. He says the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus Ultra announcement January 14, 21, pre-order at January 14, launch on January 29, black, white, gray, silver, violet and pink color. So and Ross Young retweet, he says a little late on the color, John. Here they are by model. So S21 leak 100%, S21 gray, pink, violet and white, S21 Plus black and silver, S21 Ultra black, silver, violet. Production in Brazil, Indonesia, Korea and Vietnam. So this is latest leaks and news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21? And make sure to like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.